students, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start a chapter called perimeter and area for grade 7. So let's see what is perimeter first. So perimeter and area, right? So you take any closed figure, any closed, it should not be open, right? It should not be like this. It should not be open. It should be closed, any figure. Okay. In this figure, in both the figure, what you can see is, see the boundary line. This is nothing but your boundary line. So the distance of this boundary line is nothing but our P. And whatever is inside, this is nothing but our area. So outside boundary line is our perimeter and inside it is area. Here also this boundary line is called perimeter and this portion inside one is called, this is our A, but outside line is, this is perimeter. So now for each and every figure we will find out the perimeter and area. So now let's start for square. Okay, square means what? All the sides are equal, right? If it is A, it becomes A. So all the four sides. So the boundary line, total distance of the boundary line is called perimeter. So in this case, P is equal to A plus A plus A plus A. That means 4A. So the perimeter of square is nothing but 4 into length of a side. Then we have to find out the area. Area means, see here this is a side, this is side, this is side, and all these sides are equal. So here how to find this area? This is nothing but your side into side. That means A into A, so nothing but your A square. So let's understand like this. If I divide this into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. This also 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Say for example cm, centimeter. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cm. Each side is 4 cm because it is a square. So here also 4 cm. So our area will be 4 cm into 4 cm. And here unit is very much important. So 4 into 4, 16 cm into cm. If you multiply both the value, you have to multiply the unit also. So it will be cm square. But here it will be in perimeter, it will be only cm. So be careful while writing the unit. Here it is only 4 cm. 4 plus, so let's see, area will be 16 centimeter per square. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So the inside there are 16 parts. This is nothing but inside one is our area. So it will be 16 parts. So our area will be 16 cm square. Next come to rectangle. Rectangle means both the sides are equal, right? And the longest जो length में ज़्यादा है उसको हम बोलेंगे L. This L, L becomes same. Here this will be our B. Okay. These both sides, these sides are equal. And here these sides are equal. Okay. So here how to find out perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the boundary distance. So find out L plus B plus B. Right. So it will be 2L plus 2B. Take 2 as common. 2 into L plus B. Right. Now, so here our perimeter is nothing but the 2 times length plus your base or breadth. Right. Next, area. Area will be here length into breadth. L into B. This is the formula of area. So let's see. Now we have to divide this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So now count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here it is, say for example 7 meter. This distance, this B is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 meter. This is also 7 and this is also same 5 meter. So area will be L into B. That means 7 meter into 5 meter is equal to 7 5s are 35 meter square. If you count inside this number, the total number will be 35, right? So the inside area will be 35. So our area will be 35 meters square. Okay. Next we will see parallelogram. Perimeter and area of parallelogram. Before going to learn about the perimeter and area of parallelogram, let's understand, you might have known that what is the difference between a parallelogram and a rectangle. See here, this is a rectangle and this is nothing but our parallelogram, right? Here these sides are same, but here you can see opposite sides are same, and here all the four are right angles. One in rectangle, this is rectangle, and this is parallelogram. So here all the angles are right angles, right? But here opposite angles are same. This angle is same as this and these two angles are equal. Okay. And one more difference is, in rectangle this diagonal is, this length of this diagonal are equal. Okay. But in parallelogram the diagonals are unequal. Right. So this is the difference between rectangle and parallelogram. So now parallelogram, see, this is here we never say this is length and this is B as like in rectangle. यहाँ पे हम बोलेंगे this is our base. This is our base. And अगर हम इसके opposite angle से, if we draw a line to this base, it will be our height h. Okay. So here our area will be B into h. This is very simple. For parallelogram, the area is very simple. If you rotate this and if you take it as base, in this case, for this, the opposite angle is this. So if you can draw height like this. Okay. So this will be the height for this base. Similarly, if you rotate, if this will be the base, you can draw from opposite line like this. This will be your height. So area of parallelogram is nothing but base into height, right? And for perimeter there is no such definition, but for perimeter it will be, see, this one and this one, this side and these sides. This is called adjacent side, right? So, and this, for this and this, these two sides are called adjacent sides. So here perimeter is nothing but 2 into sum of adjacent sides, right? Like how we call it in rectangle, 2 into, there we will say, we can say it L plus B, right? Here we are not saying this L, we are saying it side by side, sum of adjacent sides, this plus this, 2 times side. Okay. So this is nothing but our parallelogram, perimeter and area, right? Next we will go to triangle. Okay. See here, this is a parallelogram, right? This parallelogram, if we divide this into 2 halves, here we can find a triangle and यहाँ पे भी हमको एक ट्रायंगल मिलेगा. So अगर एक पैरेललोग्राम को डिवाइड कर दिया जाए, then we can find 2 triangles. That means what? area of this triangle is nothing but half of the area of this parallelogram, right? So it's very easy. This is a triangle and this is a triangle. So here, as we know, area of parallelogram is nothing but B into H, and this triangle is half of this parallelogram. So here area of triangle will be half into half of the area of parallelogram, right? So area of parallelogram is nothing but B into H. Half of that area is the area of the triangle. So for triangle, the area will be half into your base into height. Okay. Here, if we take this one triangle, here this will be the base for this triangle, and here opposite we will draw height. This is our height. So this is half into B into H. Now let's see perimeter. Perimeter, there are three types of triangle. Here we can see equilateral, where all the three sides are equal, isosceles, where both the sides are equal, and scalene, where all the three sides are unequal. They are not same. कोई भी उनका distance length same नहीं है तीनों के. In that case, perimeter will be different, right? So for equilateral triangle, where the three sides are equal, your perimeter will be L plus L plus L is equal to 3L. That means 3 times the length of the side, because all the three sides are equal. In this isosceles case, this side and these sides are equal, but this is different. So in this case, perimeter for isosceles triangle will be L plus B. So it's equal to 2L plus B, right? Now for scalene, since all the three sides are unequal, they are not same. This is different. A length is different. B is different. C is different. So in this case, P will be A plus B plus C. Understood? Clear till now? We have seen perimeter and area of square, rectangle, parallelogram and triangle. Okay. In the next class, it will be more clear once we will take some examples from all these. Then it will be very clear. So thank you so much, students. If you like, please, and if you have anything, you please write your doubts, whatever it is, in that comment section. So I'll try to clarify your doubt. In the next class, we'll see some more examples of perimeter and area. Thank you.